Alright, hello everybody. We're on board the Miss Maasdam here at New Holland, America. We're going to take a room tour of room. We're going to take a room tour of room 831 here. So, starting out at the door, standard deadbolt. This is the privacy thing that you can insert to the door if you want to keep full privacy. So yeah, there's the door. Oh yeah, and by the way guys, that's the ship we're on. This is the emergency map here. This is a 13 deck ship. So it should be quite fun. We have a week-long journey on board this ship, so I'll take you guys along as much as I can. And yeah, so over here to the left, we've got a wardrobe here to hang up all your clothes. They provide a wardrobe, some towels, and our life jackets. A very important thing to have on board a ship like this. It's a 1,100 passenger ship, which is really nice. A little bit smaller than the Royal Caribbean one that I didn't do a tour of. By the way, light switches are all over here. So if you need your lights, just, you know, flick them on. Here's the bathroom. Flick that on. There's the bathroom. So watch your step as we enter the bathroom. Standard bathroom, hello. A nice sink. I got some water sprayed over just to clean it off. We have hand and body lotion, time to spa. So that's quite cool. And then we've got some cups that are free of charge. You can use them. Here's the toilet. Now, this is different from your regular toilet. This is a one of those toilets that you cannot throw other stuff into. So when you're using the toilet, you can only use. So it's air suction, but it works. Towels are underneath. Floor mat. We got puke bags if you, well, feminine product waste. I got a garbage can underneath there. Towels, nice big, wow, these are big towels. Standard shower. For your safety, please test water temperature, so we'll do that in a minute. Just like that. And we've got a clothesline that you can pull. I've only seen this in one other place that I don't know if I've uploaded the video to. But there's the washroom, guys, on board the Miss Maasdam. Here's the rest of the stateroom. The freaking video is playing right now, but that's alright. Over here, we've got a really old, it looks like a, I don't know, a 12-inch LG TV with some, looks like we got some bottles of water for purchase, a cup of Coca-Cola, Sprite, all that goody stuff down there. Over here we've got the, looks like this is shut, but this is the drawers for the clothes and stuff. Here's a pull-out couch. You can actually pull this out, and I believe it's a pull-out couch. Yep, look at that. It's another one of those pull-out couches. Here's the master bed, along with all our amenities, our daily linen. We're right now in Montreal, Quebec. And it gives you a list of all the goody stuff that's on here. Introduction to New Holland America line. I'll film that probably. So yeah, there's all the events we're doing today. Here's the king-size bed. And here's the cell phone or phone and dining, lines, messages, wake-up calls, Pinnacle Grill. All the good stuff on board a ship. There's the view outside. I will film later on. Ooh. We got a ship running there, but there you guys go. Here's the bed. It's just a standard bed. I'm not gonna rip this guy open because it is tucked in really nicely. But yeah, there's the ship on board, the Miss Maasdam, and I'll show you guys around as we continue our journey outside on board this ship. Very nice, small little ship, which is really nice. I really like it, and yeah, so that's gonna do it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this little tour on board the Miss Maasdam, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Until next time. Oh, here's the air temperature stuff here. Cooler. warmer. But anyways, guys, that is it. Take care. Let's see. Let's go upstairs and have a look, guys. Looks like floor 8 is the... Ooh. Let's go have a look at the ship here. Alright. I'll pick it back up when... Hello.
Lift going up.
Go to the upper promenade. See what's up there. And then we'll go to Lido in a minute. Let's go to
Deck 8, upper Promenade deck.
Let's go up one more, guys. It's a Saturday. Cool is that? Go all the way up top.
Deck 11, Lido Deck.
Hot outside. Wow. Put this camera around. Everyone's dining away. We're gonna go outside. It's not usable? Huh. I guess we can't go out this way. So I guess the only other way out is... Huh. That is cool. Let's go up one more. We got the Lido Deck, hot tub. Ooh. Let's go down to the Promenade. Navigation? What's up here? We're gonna go up down to the nav. Oh, we can't go.
Deck 10, navigation deck.
Oh.
Lift going down.
But there's probably nothing on there. Huh. Let's go down to the lower promenade. See what's down there.
Deck 6, lower Promenade deck.
Staterooms. More staterooms. There's the outside view. Oh. This is nice, guys. Loading everything on. Wow. Cool. Alright, let's go for lunch, shall we?